having your listings consistent across different platforms, people tend to find it and go, oh yeah, that's the same one. So someone might, might want to shop on Amazon, might want to shop on eBay, might want to shop on Etsy. Same as, some people like we said, some people shop on Coles, some people shop on Woolworths. I don't care where people buy it, as long as they buy it. Couldn't give a rat, as long as it's money and my money. Get everything in and get in there really, get your main keywords in. I had somebody through the week ask me about eBay's title builder, which, of course, why have I got the share thing? Oh, there it is. Okay, down the bottom. The eBay title builder, which I mentioned in all my courses and was working a week or so ago when I updated the course, is suddenly not working, which is just really handy. But 3D sellers have one. 3D sellers is great. It does lots of email stuff for eBay. So when a customer makes a sale, you can send customized emails out. Similar to what Tracy just said, scroll right down to the bottom and right down to the bottom. And there's some free tools. So they've got some templates. So same thing, a title builder. And what you can put in here, if I put in, let's put in the bubble gum. And click search. Oh, I didn't change it to Australia. So choose your platform. So it's going to search in the US for this one. So what it'll do, it'll find the title from the highest ranking keywords from the best selling products, basically. And it gives you the keyword rankings of, so it's looking for a combination of what has sold best and, the algorithm. So quite similar to the way Amazon stuff works. I use Amazon tools quite a lot for eBay because there's so many of them. So there's not as many eBay tools as there is for Amazon, mainly I think just because Amazon's a bigger platform in the US. So those tools tend to work. If you're looking for things like keywords, etc., from that are working on Amazon, chances are they're going to work in Australia. Australians, if they're searching for bubble gum, they're going to search for bubble gum, and it's going to come up regardless whether it's Amazon, eBay, or Shopify. That's the terms people are using. So Amazon tools are still quite useful to use for eBay and for Shopify as well, just because there's just so much out there. Many things. That's not a viable product to sell on Amazon. We all know that. But at 70 cents, at 66 cents, if you're selling anything to do in the computer niche, stuff like this gives you that differentiation. This is how you make bundles. Another one I saw this morning, you may have seen it. It popped up on Facebook. And I went, what a cool thing, because I know in our coaching clients, we have so many people that have done water bottles and have really struggled with it, or, these insulated cups and water bottles. Yeah. This little cleaning tool here, again, 60 cents, 50 cents. It just sets your water bottle or your insulated coffee cup, of which there's a gazillion of, sets it aside and makes it a bonus. Wow, they're getting something for nothing. And it works. So on eBay you can see this little fake product that I've put up here. It's not fake, it does actually sell, but I've got a free bonus, and it was a little, this is targeted specifically at teens, and we've got a little one of these little mesh bag things. What are they called? Mermaid bags or something. Come on, work. This little bag I think cost me like 30 cents. The little makeup kit cost me again 30 cents, but it just, it's more than just the selfie light that everybody sells. Right? Yeah. So the packaging, so if you can imagine this little makeup set thing it comes out at about, 6 inches by 3 inches round. So the ring light fits inside it in its standard little box. The makeup kit sits inside it, and then we've got a gift box that the whole thing. So it's a whole gift. And it was a very, very simple box. It's just a plain brown craft box with a coloured wrapper around the outside. So very, very simple. And we started that with Cindy in the beginning as well, before she got some nice packaging. to this type of thing. So these, these craft boxes you'll get really, really cheap anywhere. And then just having a plain sleeve, you can get printed also quite simply. And, I get them printed. Sometimes if I'm testing a product, I'll even print them myself, just depending on the size of it. But you can change it. You can do different things. You can change the sleeve depending on the seasonality. You might do a Christmas one or an Easter one or Mother's Day one, varying things. But plain packaging with a sleeve is quite a cost-effective way of doing things as well. But you're still getting that, that full branding experience, and there's so much you can do with it.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.